Most home service business owners think AI tools are complicated or only for big companies. That's the biggest mistake you can make in 2026. DAO. Because right now, small service businesses using AI are responding faster, booking more jobs, and spending less time on admin work than their competitors. Here's the truth no one tells you. In home services like cleaning, HVAC, plumbing, or landscaping, speed and communication decide who wins the job. Not always price. In this video you'll learn the 9 best AI tools for home service businesses in 2026, and how they actually help you get more leads, close more jobs, and run your business with less stress. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most owners are overwhelmed with calls, messages, missed leads, and manual scheduling. Someone like John requests a quote, and by the time you respond, he has already booked another company. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI tools fix this by doing the response work instantly and automatically. First is AI chat assistants. These tools respond to website visitors instantly, answer basic questions, and collect lead details even when you are busy or offline. That alone can recover lost leads overnight. Second is AI call answering. Instead of missed calls going to voicemail, AI can answer, qualify the customer, and even book appointments. Think of Alex running a plumbing business while the AI handles incoming calls. Third is AI CRM automation. This connects your leads, follow-ups, and scheduling into one system. It automatically sends reminders, quotes, and follow-ups, so no lead gets forgotten. But here's the problem most owners don't realize. Lead capture is not enough. You also need speed in estimating. Fourth is AI quoting tools. These generate estimates quickly based on job type, size, and inputs. No more manual spreadsheets or delays. Now let's move into scheduling. Fifth is AI dispatch systems. These tools assign jobs automatically based on location, availability, and skill. That means less confusion and fewer missed appointments. Sixth is AI marketing tools. These help you write ads, generate social media posts, and even optimize Google business profiles so you get more local leads without hiring a marketing team. Seventh is AI review management. These tools automatically request reviews after a job is completed, which helps you rank higher on Google and build trust faster. In a minute, I'll show you the final tools that turn a regular business into a fully automated system. Eighth is AI invoicing and payments. These tools create invoices automatically and send payment reminders so you get paid faster without chasing customers. Ninth is AI analytics. This shows you which services are most profitable, where leads are coming from, and where you are losing money. Now, here's the big takeaway. You don't need all tools at once. You need the right combination that removes manual work and speeds up response time. The best home service businesses in 2026 are not the ones working the hardest. They are the ones using AI to respond faster, stay organized, and never miss a lead. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what type of home service business you run, and subscribe for more practical business growth strategies like this.